Now in this section I'll just show you how to set the defaults within Firefox so that Google is displayed. And we'll also set the default search engine to Google. So this is what Firefox looks like. It's just another browser. If I click up here on these three horizontal lines and then go to where it says Options, there's various things here. So if I click on the Home tab here, within the Home tab you can specify a custom URL for the opening page and basically just put Google in there. And if we go to where it says Search, the default search engine needs to be set to Google. Obviously you could use lots of other things, but on this course we're really going to concentrate on Google. So that's how you set the default opening page and also the default search engine within Firefox.